Simultaneous equations are two equations with the same variables that we solve together to find values that satisfy both. Let us start with the equations x plus y equals 10 and x minus y equals 2. First, we use the substitution method by rearranging the second equation to make x equal to y plus 2. We then substitute this value of x into the first equation, giving y plus 2 plus y equals 10. Solving step by step, we get 2y plus 2 equals 10, then 2y equals 8, and finally y equals 4. Next, we substitute y equals 4 back into x equals y plus 2, which gives x equals 6. Now we have the solution x equals 6 and y equals 4. We can also confirm this using the elimination method by adding the two original equations, which removes y and gives 2x equals 12, so x equals 6, and substituting back again gives y equals 4. Finally, we check our answers. 6 plus 4 equals 10 and 6 minus 4 equals 2, so the solution is correct.